Assalamualaikum dear students. First year chapter number 1. Topic is multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Let C is equal to A plus iota B is a complex number. Then the multiplicative inverse is 1 over Z, which is equal to 1 upon A plus iota B. Oh, because the definition of multiplicative inverse is Z dot 1 over Z, which is equal to 1. Now we simplified A plus iota B, which appears in the denominator. For simplification, we remove iota from the denominator by multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the conjugate of A plus iota B. Conjugate of A plus iota B is A minus iota B. So in the next step, 1 upon A plus iota B multiply with A minus iota B and A minus iota B. In the numerator, A minus iota B when multiplied by 1 remains unchanged, which is equal to A minus iota B, and in the denominator the terms used are A plus iota B and A minus iota B, which are in the form of an algebraic formula A plus B and A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Here A is equal to A and the B term is equal to iota B. So we use A square minus plus minus minus iota B square. So 1 over Z is equal to A minus iota B and A का square minus iota का square B का square. So 1 over Z is equal to A minus iota B upon A square minus iota square is equal to minus 1. We use here the result minus 1 B का square. So 1 over Z is equal to A minus iota B upon A का square minus minus plus B का square. We can also write in the form of an ordered pair A upon A square plus B square, comma, minus B upon A square plus B square. This is the result of the multiplicative inverse of Z, which is equal to A plus iota B. Now we use this formula in any type of problem to solve the multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Exercise 1.1 question number 1 part 2 multiplicative inverse of a complex number under root 2 comma minus under root 5. This is the ordered pair representation of a complex number. We can also write it in the form under root 2 minus iota under root 5. Let Z is equal to under root 2 minus iota under root 5 and 1 over Z is equal to 1 upon under root 2 minus iota under root 5. We simplify the term used in the denominator by multiplying it with its conjugate under root 2 plus iota under root 5 and under root 2 plus iota under root 5. The term in the numerator when multiplied by 1 remains unchanged because 1 is the multiplicative inverse. And the term used in the denominator after simplification gives under root 2 का square minus plus minus iota under root 5 का square. 1 over Z is equal to under root 2 plus iota under root 5. This 2 is cancelled out with under root, give 2 minus iota का square, and 2 is cancelled out with under root, give 5, and 1 over Z is equal to under root 2 plus iota under root 5 upon 2. Iota square value is equal to minus 1. We used here minus 1 and 5. After that, 1 over Z is equal to under root 2 plus iota under root 5 upon 2 plus 5. 1 over Z is equal to this upon 7. We can also separate it and write it in the ordered pair form under root 2 over 7 and now under root 5 over 7. This is the final solution of the multiplicative inverse of under root 2 comma minus under root 5. Hope you understand it. If you like it, then share and subscribe it. Thank you.